Hey everybody, what's up? It's Mike Glamero. Got the Capri today. So earlier I posted a video and I kind of thought about it afterwards. What I did today was I replaced this wing. Alright, not going to touch it yet. It was just painted. Still, I just wanted to get it nice and hard. The other wing, the original factory wing, is in that box. I'm going to redo that. That came out pretty nice. I'm happy. I remember putting the original wing on this car back when I had it apart once and I took it off. So if you ever have to do this, remember these little clips? What you do is the wing, before you put on the wing, you slide these clips up the trim. Then you lay your wing down, you slide that back down on. Seemed easy. This is a second wing. This is not the factory one. It's a little bit off here. But just want to show you what it looks like. This took me hours and hours and hours and hours just to get it on the car. But it's going to a show next weekend and I want to get it on there for this year. I did paint it myself here, and I went through several different types of paint before I found one that I liked. It's just dust. So I hope you're enjoying my videos. 83 Capri RS50. This is Mike. Stay tuned for next weekend. You will see the car at Manchester, New Hampshire. It's old stomping grounds. Yes, it's old stomping grounds. We used to cruise on once upon a time. We'll see you out there.